Hey guys, it's me, Ezra. Today we'll be experimenting. So you're gonna need vinegar or vinegar water, 2 bowls, 2 bowls, and baking soda and a lemon. We're gonna see which one has a higher reaction, like which one explodes higher. Shoot, you can't even. There, you can see 2 bowls. First, the lemon and baking soda trick. You can use the lemon and baking soda trick for baking. But please, if you want to get sick, use this. But we all know you don't want to get sick. Oh, that was a whole half of a lemon. So, oh wow. Look at this. Cool. Cool, right? Smells bad. Now I have some baking soda. So this one, I'm gonna rate this a 5. This one, I have to. If I was you. Boo! Mother clucker. Oh, no, it's still moving. Oh, so nasty. This is the result. Don't try. It's a total fail. This one, winner. So, disclaimer, don't use vinegar water. So don't use the vinegar trick unless you're a psycho and you want to get sick. Anyway, bye!